Naiiyak na. Nanday, masarap yan. $3 isa?
Yeah.
Outside. 7 minutes. I'll try. Gusto mo?
Yeah. I think this baby brings it out because this cracks.
No, this is vinegar. Dato puti. Dato puti.
I want to see inside first.
Inside what?
I want to see inside first. Let's see inside. Huh?
I'll show you. Boiled egg.
Yeah.
Masarap?
Masarap.
Yeah, masarap. I'll try. Okay, we try, ha? First, this is how you're gonna eat this.
This.
I'll teach you how.
This bird.
First, you put the salt. I mean,
What's
this one.
that?
Vinegar. Vinegar.
What's that?
And then,
What's that? This is baby bird.
vinegar. No, chicken. And then this is salt. Oh, look. Salt. You put the salt there.
I'll try it.
No, not the salt. You want to try this. Try this, not the salt. Okay.
No. You don't have to try it. I don't like.
Masarap na. Yeah. Yeah, this way. Okay, I make it small. I make it small.
Still tastes good?
Here.
Just shut up.
You. It's very small.
Okay.
Kakunti yan eh. Swallow it. Chew it.
Huh?
Chew it and swallow it.
Oh, okay.
Now, how's it taste?
I actually care.
Taste it. Ba't ka naiiyak? Taste na. Naiiyak na. Nanday, masarap yan. Try. Uy, niluwa sa plato ko. Sumita, you wanna try?
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna show you what's inside.
No.
Like this. And then you're gonna do this one. Masarap man. Ito di malaga na. Are you okay? Kusine? Come, I'll show you what's inside. Excuse me, I wanna see what's inside. The chicken is there. The vinegar and then salt. And then you have to get this with soup first. Good.
No. No.
Yeah, it's good. And then this one, wait, I'll show you something there. Here. Wanna see it, Sini?
Yeah. I hope it's not baby bird's dead.
Oh, so
Baby bird's dead, huh?
yeah, there's egg yolk. This is the egg. This is how you're gonna eat. Put in the vinegar and then eat. Yum.
Can I see
Tawag na. There's something more. There's still something inside. Utot na.
Mama.
The this is the
What are feathers?
yeah. This is chick. Already chick. Right?
No. No.
Si Binmin, no. I'm not eating the chick. Ay, hindi ako kumakain ng chicken. Chicken sa inside ng balot.
What's this? You have to wash it. You have to wash it so we can make it fried chicken.
Famous. It's a baby chick. Why?
I'm gonna eat it.
Yum yum.
You mean the mamas?
Want to try? Gusto mo? Gusto niya?
Huh?
You like?
No.
No? Okay, you go back there. Okay, nilayasan na ako. Nilayasan na nila ako.
Yay!
Balot. Ano?
Yeah, Papa, eating.
Ayaw din.
Because it's nothing. I give it. Then I'm gonna sleep now.
Where did you buy this?
I'm sitting.
Ha?
Need a store.
No, this one, the balot. San Antonio? Ang layo naman. Magkano? Magkano? How much is that? $3 isa? $3 isa?
You've been.
Grabe naman yung $3 mo. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Need to shake it. Kasi ni. Ayaw nila. Nilayasan ako. Tinakbuhan ako. And then the outside.
Nothing like that. Suerte si Perle.
You feel vomit? You eat the chocolate. I don't smell good. I don't watch. Naiiyak mo sa puso ni. Ano ba? Why? Why stomach pain? Tumakit na ang tiyan. Nakita rin. Did you swallow?
It tastes bad.
Taste bad. Drink water.
Already.
Drink some more.
Chicken?
Huh?
Sweet chicken?
Yes, baby chicken.
Huh?
Baby chicken.
Oh.
There's a chick inside. Eh?
No, it's in chickens. I don't care the chicken boots.
Nah, but eat the chocolate. Eat the chocolate and then don't watch me when I'm eating. Sumakit ang tiyan. The chocolate. Susmita also. Ayaw nilang tatlo. Mark ayaw din. Pero alam niya na favorite ko, kaya bumili siya. San Antonio. Pero yung chick, hindi ko nakain. Diyan siya. Ayaw ko yan. Yeah.
Squishy.
Squish. Squishy. Suka.
Squishy. The chicken is squishy.
Squishy? Oh yeah. Already melt.
The chicken milk, huh?
Ha? Kailangan tanggalin yung ano. Yung chick.
Oh, this is the chicken.
Chicken?
This is the
This is
chicken.
the chicken.
This chicken.
Yeah.
This chicken. This chicken.
Bakit ayaw?
Yeah.
Ayaw mo. Matigas yung puti. Lagay ko na nga dyan. And then salt. Uy, may bakit may ano? May langaw to sini.
Maybe they smell the chicken.
The screen door. Matigas ito. Mm. Mm.
What's that?
Suka. Ayan. Who's that? Who's only watching?
Ugly.
Adli? Sobrang maasim.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's from here.
Already? Mom, okay. Kulang. Not enough.
Oh, this one's tree. This one's tree. This one's tree. Where's that tree?
Still a pain? Still a pain?
Yeah.
Still smell it?
Yeah,
If
my
you
head
can
hurts.
still smell?
My head hurts. Yeah.
Why?
Something in my head.
Sobrang suka. Yes.
Want to eat that one? Last one.
You have to share to her.
Did you? Na, ako share. Ako share na. Ha? Ako share. Give me one big chocolate. This one. Okay, here. Wait.
Ayoko na. Ayoko na kasi wala na. Ubus na. Bye. Thank you. Ayoko ng ano. Ng... Ayan. Balot Pinoy. Mas gusto ko ito kasi mas malasa. Pero ayoko naman ng masisiw. Pag balot Pinoy yung kinain mo, iba yung lasa eh. Balot Pinoy? Pinoy lang. Pinoy lang yung balot. Kina.